Sends this one pretty deep left center field. Fly ball, way back, and that ball is gone! The first career walk-off home run for the freight train, David Peralta. The D-backs' third walk-off win this year. And after trailing 2-0 in the ninth, they win it 3-2 in the 14th.
1-2 pitch. High fly ball, hit deep toward left center. At the track, at the wall. Tooney walks us off again.
And the Orioles, again, a chance to win it. Bottom half of the 11th inning. Adam Jones will be leading it off. Deep left field, Adam Jones, and goodbye, home run! A game winner for the Orioles center fielder, and they win the opener 3-2.
They're all loaded. High fly ball, deep into left center field.
Get out of
Way
here.
back it carries. And that ball is gone. The Red Sox walk it off in style.
That's how it's done.
The X-Man strikes.
So you want to see a walk-off grand slam this time.
Holy cow. Center field. Did he get it? Did he get it? Walk-off slam!
Is at first. That ball's crossed. Left field side. Davidson. Runs it for the Sox. Final score.
You don't see many celebrations like that when you overtake third place.
Today.
High fly ball, right center field. Did Winker get enough? Bye-bye, game over. A game-winning home run by Jesse Winker. Just his second home run of this season. And at 13, the Reds down the Rockies by a final count of 7-5. How about that?
Yan Gomes will bat. He's 0 for 3 this afternoon. Gomes with a high fly ball. Deep left. Back is Jay at the wall. It is gone, and the Indians win it. Yan Gomes
the Rockies.
This ball loud and proud, deep right center field, and there's here, baseball. Rockies win it. Jordan Blackmon. What a time for number 20. Trevor had his first walk-off home run right before the All-Star break. Now Charlie with his first walk-off home run.
With one down. To left. Deep. Way back. And gone!
Jeimer Candelario walks it off for the Tigers.
Hitting it the opposite way. The left fielder tried to jump the fence. He got close to it. What a swing.
Jeimer Candelario with his 18th homer of the year. And the Tigers walk it off 5-3. High fly ball, deep left field, off the bat of White. Is it enough? Yes! Walk it off! Great white shark! The Astros win it 5-4. The second series loss in the last 21. And they are posing for the cameras behind home plate. The A's second series loss since mid-June.
3-1 pitch. Escobar swings, drives it to left. And that ball is a goner! Home run! Alcides Escobar ends it in the 14th inning. His second home run this year, and the Royals are going to go home happy.
Alcides Escobar sends them all home happy in KC, his first career walk-off homer as the Royals win a 2-1 in 14 innings. The KC bullpen was the real story, though, going 8 scoreless.
Cozart is 0 for 4. He's also picked up a walk. That's driven out to deep left field. Going back at the wall. Drive home safely.
There's the home run. Ball game over. Angels win it 3-2. Here in the bottom of the 13th inning, you can put a halo over this one.
What a way to finish off the game for Zach Cozart. Has struggled in this series, but that one swing changes it completely with a big fly.
High drive right field. That ball is gone, and this game is over. Second home run of the night for Yasmani Grandal. It's a 2-run walk-off home run, and the Dodgers win it 6-4-10.
A walk-off home run. Yasmani Grandal. The Dodgers win it 6-4. Grandal's second home run of the night, his 19th of the year, and the Dodgers' second walk-off win of the season.
Squares it at 4. Now it's Braun who swings and launches. That's his way back. And that is the ball game. Wow. Woo. Strikes twice. Ryan Braun has 4 career at-bats against Dominic Leone. That is his 3rd home run, and he wins the game. A walk-off home run. Yelich and Braun go deep, and the Brewers snatch him back tonight.
A high fly to center field. It's hit deep. Zimmer back. Gone! A walk-off home run for Rosario, his 3rd of the day.
over, swings the bat and drives one deep down the line. Toward the corner, it's off the pole. Home run, the ball game is over. Wilmer is the Mets' all-time walk-off king. And the Mets win it 4-3.
Deep to left field. Fair ball. The game's over. See ya. A walk-off three-run home run for Gary Sanchez. The Yankees have come all the way back, and they win this one 4-3.
Gary Sanchez, the Santino, drills a long game-winning three-run home run in the bottom of the ninth, and the Yankees win the ball game 4-3. A three-run blast, a walk-off. Yankees win. Yankees win.
Take it in, folks. Is this the effect that starts the Yankees for one of those magical runs here? What a great way to end the game and head on to the West Coast. A four-game sweep. Chris Davis, right center. Did he get enough? And that baby's gone. Chris Davis walks it off for the A's. They creep a little bit closer to postseason. So a two-home run game for Chris Davis. The second one wins.
2-0 here in the bottom of the ninth inning. Fly ball, left field, it's deep. And it is gone! Three-run walk-off home run for Maikel Franco! The Phillies win it 5-2 here in the bottom of the ninth inning. They decided to pitch to Franco, and the celebration ensues. Nothing better than that.
And a drive to right center field. And out goes Frazier with a walk-off. Raise the Jolly Roger. Frazier's home run wins it in the 11th.
As needed.
The 2-1 final.
Look at that shower there. Got him right at the plate. Frazier's back. That's the guy that we've seen since he came up to the big league. Ever since he came back that old trip down, he has been just ripping the cover off the ball. 3-0, green light.
And with 2 outs and the bases empty, it'll be Franmil Reyes.
High fly ball for Franmil Reyes. Back goes Blackman. He is at the wall, and Blackman leaps, and it's gone. Padres walk it off. Franmil Reyes. And the Padres win it 13-3-2. Fourth walk-off win of the year for the Padres, and this time it's Franmil Reyes.
Buster Posey watching on deck, the 2-2 pitch. High drive! Left field! It is out of here! His 6th hit of the night sends everybody home.
They set an outside target, and here's the mistake, and McCutchen makes him pay.
And he knew it the minute it left the bat. This game was over.
2 outs, nobody on, a 2-2 pitch.
There it is right there. Ball game over. Mike Zunino breaks out of it. Game-winning home run. 12th inning. Mariners win yet another one-run affair.
And that was the slider. He left it right in the middle of the plate.
The left fielder Rosario started coming in before I even said it was gone. He knew that sucker was out of here. Mike Zunino with his 8th home run, 18th run batted in. How about these Mariners? Another one-run affair.
And another win.
I believe he can't do the same thing by swinging the bat. Wong, a drive down the right field line. Is it fair? Gone! Gone! Two-run homer. Wong walks it off. They tied it in the bottom of the ninth. They win it in the 10th.
And a Redbird winner as Colton Wong just ended the game with his 2nd home run of the year. And he'll be mobbed at the plate. A walk to Paul DeYoung and a walk-off for Colton Wong. 8-6 Cardinals.
Ozuna with the long drive, high and deep to left, and that one is gone. Carlos Gomez walks it off, and there's the walk-off homer. Rays win. Carlos Gomez has walked it off, and the Rays win it 8-6. That's how you bust out of a slump. You pull all your teammates out of the dugout to meet you at home plate. He slides, sets his way into the scrum, gets piled on with high fives and handshakes and a couple of water jugs. And the way to talk to that from Carlos Gomez. A 3-0 pitch. And now Chu in the air. Left center field. Back is Jay. This is gone. A walk-off home run for Shin-Soo Choo. Opposite field, walk-off home run for Chu, his 8th homer of the season.
The Rangers walk it off here tonight. Now that we're past the 6 o'clock hour, a Shin-Soo Choo opposite field home run into the Royal.
2-0. And a swing and a high fly ball, deep right field, and this game is over. What a night for Curtis Granderson. At 37 years of age, he can still turn one around. And he does it to give the Blue Jays a walk-off win.
Mark Reynolds, deep to left. See you